Most players make the wrong move right now and lose their chance at a refund. Watch this entire video to learn exactly how to fix it the right way. First, open your web browser Chrome, Safari, or any browser and go to the official Roblox website. Select Continue in Browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Quick and simple, but this is where the process starts. Here's where most people get lost. Don't be one of them. Click the Settings gear icon at the top right, then select Help. This takes you straight to the Help Center. Keep watching because the next step is critical. Now navigate to Payments, Gift Cards, and Subscriptions. Then select Subscription Billing and Refunds. Skipping this exact path is a common mistake that wastes your time. Scroll all the way down and click Contact Support. Fill out the support form with your username, email, and device type. The more details you provide, the faster and smoother your refund request will be processed. Under Type of Help category, choose Purchases using Robux in the description. Clearly explain that the purchase was accidental. List the exact item name and cost. Got your refund sorted. Hit subscribe for more Roblox tips. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to avoid accidental purchases altogether.